Today, we're going to talk about a fruit that is a true gift from nature, a fruit that goes beyond simply satisfying your taste buds, bringing with it an impressive array of health benefits, our beloved avocado. Considered a superfood, the avocado stands out for its nutritional density and as a natural source of energy and vitality. When we talk about superfoods, we refer to foods that have an exceptional concentration of nutrients, and the avocado is a prime example of this. Rich in a variety of essential vitamins, the avocado delivers a true nutrient explosion with every bite. Among the vitamins present, vitamin E stands out as a powerful antioxidant, combating free radicals and protecting the body's cells from damage. Vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting and bone health, while vitamin C is known for its vital role in immunity and collagen production, essential for skin and joint health. Additionally, avocado is a rich source of B-complex vitamins such as B5, pantothenic acid, and B6, pyridoxine, which are fundamental for energy metabolism and brain health, aiding in the nervous system's function and neurotransmitter production. But the nutritional value of avocado doesn't stop there. It is also an excellent source of minerals, with potassium and magnesium standing out. Potassium plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, helping to maintain fluid balance in the body and muscle function. Meanwhile, magnesium is essential for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production, protein synthesis, and blood sugar control. One of the most remarkable aspects of avocado is its fat composition. Unlike other fruits, avocado is rich in fats, but not just any kind of fat. It is especially rich in monounsaturated fats, the same found in olive oil, known for their heart health benefits. These fats help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL cholesterol levels, the good cholesterol, promoting cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Moreover, the monounsaturated fats in avocado are essential for brain health. The human brain is largely composed of fat, and healthy fats play a crucial role in maintaining cognitive functions and preventing neurodegenerative diseases. Regular consumption of avocado can therefore contribute to a sharper mind and a stronger heart, making this fruit a valuable addition to anyone's diet who is concerned about their health. When we delve into the benefits that avocado offers to the body, the list is impressive and extensive, covering everything from cardiovascular health to weight management and skin and hair beauty. Let's explore each of these aspects in detail, showing why avocado deserves a prominent place in our daily diet. The heart is one of the most vital organs in our body, and taking care of it is essential for maintaining overall health. The monounsaturated fats present in avocado play a crucial role in cardiovascular health. These fats help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, known as bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol levels, good cholesterol. Elevated LDL cholesterol can lead to the buildup of plaques in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and strokes. By consuming avocado regularly, you are promoting a healthier internal environment for your heart, helping to prevent heart disease and keeping blood pressure under control. In addition, the potassium in avocado is essential for regulating blood pressure. This mineral helps balance the effects of sodium in the body, promoting blood vessel dilation and contributing to healthy blood pressure. The combination of these good fats with potassium makes avocado a powerful ally in maintaining cardiovascular health. Although avocado is relatively high in calories, with about 160 calories per 100 grams, it can be an unexpected ally in weight control. The secret lies in its healthy fats and its ability to promote satiety. Monounsaturated fats help prolong the feeling of fullness, reducing hunger and preventing you from feeling the need to overeat. This means that by including avocado in your meals, you can reduce calorie intake throughout the day, aiding in weight control and preventing overindulgence. Furthermore, avocado has a unique combination of fibers and fats that can stabilize blood sugar levels. This prevents glucose spikes and the subsequent feeling of hunger, making it an excellent food for those looking to manage weight effectively and sustainably. When it comes to beauty, avocado is a true treasure. Its vitamins and antioxidants work in synergy to promote radiant skin and healthy hair. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant found in avocado, fights free radicals that cause premature skin aging. It helps keep the skin youthful and firm, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C, also found in avocado, is essential for collagen production, a protein that gives skin structure and elasticity. Including avocado in your diet can help improve skin texture and provide a healthy glow. Additionally, the antioxidants in the fruit protect the skin from damage caused by sun exposure and pollution, promoting a younger and more vibrant appearance. Avocado is also beneficial for hair. Its nutrients strengthen the strands and provide shine, helping to prevent breakage and dryness. The healthy fats and vitamins in avocado nourish the scalp, promoting a healthy environment for hair growth and contributing to softer, silkier hair. The positive impact of avocado on the mind is remarkable and multifaceted, reflecting how proper nutrition can profoundly influence mental health. Let's explore in detail how this powerful fruit contributes to brain health, stress reduction, and combating depression. Avocado is an exceptional ally when it comes to maintaining brain health. The richness in essential fatty acids, such as omega-3 and other unsaturated fatty acids, plays a fundamental role in promoting the brain's proper functioning. Omega-3 is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to support the integrity of neuronal cell membranes. These healthy fats are vital for building and maintaining neurons and for effective communication between them, which can lead to improvements in memory, attention, and overall cognitive functions. Moreover, the fatty acids in avocado help protect the brain against oxidative stress and inflammation, factors that can contribute to premature brain aging and the development of neurodegenerative diseases. Studies show that a diet rich in unsaturated fatty acids can improve mental clarity and cognitive function, helping to keep the mind sharp and promote better learning and information retention. Stress is a common condition in modern life, but avocado can be an effective tool in helping manage and reduce its effects. Potassium, a mineral abundant in avocado, plays a crucial role in regulating cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Elevated cortisol can lead to a range of health problems, including anxiety, sleep disturbances, and increased blood pressure. Potassium helps maintain fluid balance in the body and control nerve and muscle function, which in turn can contribute to a state of calm and relaxation. By helping regulate cortisol production, the potassium in avocado promotes a sense of well-being and reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed, allowing you to better cope with daily challenges and maintain a calmer, more centered mind. Avocado can also be an important addition to the diet for those looking to improve mood and combat depression. The B vitamins and magnesium in avocado play crucial roles in mood regulation and neurotransmitter production, such as serotonin. Serotonin is often called the feel-good hormone because it is directly involved in regulating mood, appetite, and sleep. Vitamin B6, for example, is essential for serotonin production and the proper functioning of the nervous system. A deficiency of this vitamin can lead to symptoms of depression and irritability. Magnesium, in turn, helps maintain adequate serotonin levels and regulate electrical activity in the brain. Magnesium deficiency is associated with a higher risk of mood disorders, such as depression and anxiety. Additionally, vitamin B9, folic acid, found in avocado is also involved in neurotransmitter production and DNA synthesis, helping to maintain emotional balance and mental health. Studies have shown that adequate folic acid levels can reduce depression symptoms and improve the response to treatment. In summary, avocado offers a range of remarkable benefits for the mind, from improving brain health and cognitive functions to reducing stress and combating depression. Incorporating this nutrient-rich fruit into the diet can provide a wide range of advantages for mental well-being, promoting a clearer, calmer, and more balanced mind. Now that you're familiar with the incredible health benefits of avocado, it's time to explore how to incorporate this delicious and nutritious fruit into your diet practically and deliciously. The good news is that avocado is extremely versatile and can be used in various ways to enrich your meals. Here are some practical recipe suggestions you can make at home. Salads. Avocado is a perfect addition to salads, bringing a creamy texture and mild flavor that pairs well with various ingredients. You can simply cut the avocado into cubes and add it to your favorite salad. Try combining it with greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and even roasted vegetables. Avocado not only enhances the salad's flavor, but also increases satiety. Smoothies. For a creamy and nutritious smoothie, add avocado to your blender. Avocado pairs wonderfully with fruits like banana, strawberry, and mango. Just blend a few pieces of avocado with your favorite fruits, some yogurt or plant-based milk, and maybe a spoonful of honey or chia for a healthy and energizing smoothie. The result is a nutrient-rich drink with an incredibly smooth texture. Toast. A simple and delicious way to enjoy avocado is on toast. Mash the avocado and spread it over a slice of whole grain or multigrain bread. For an extra touch of flavor, add a little salt, pepper, and some slices of tomato or cucumber. You can also add a boiled egg or a bit of feta cheese for an even more satisfying meal. Desserts. Avocado can also be used in desserts for a healthier and creamier alternative. Try making chocolate mousse using avocado as a base. Just mix ripe avocados with cocoa powder, a little honey or agave syrup, and a touch of vanilla extract. The result is a rich and indulgent dessert, but much more nutritious than traditional options. If you're looking for an easy and delicious recipe to start with, guacamole is an excellent choice. Besides being extremely simple to prepare, it's a healthy option that can be served as an appetizer or side dish. Here's a basic recipe you can make in a few minutes. Basic guacamole recipe. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, juice of 1 lime, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, fresh chopped cilantro, optional. Instructions: mash the avocado. Start by cutting the avocado in half and removing the pit. Scoop out the pulp into a bowl and use a fork to mash it until you reach a creamy consistency. If you prefer a chunkier guacamole, leave some larger pieces. Add the lime juice. Lime juice not only adds a refreshing flavor to the guacamole, but also helps prevent the avocado from browning. Mix the lime juice well with the mashed avocado. Season to taste. Add salt and black pepper to taste. Stir well to evenly distribute the seasonings. If you enjoy a touch of freshness, add chopped cilantro. Serve. Guacamole can be served immediately with tortilla chips, corn chips, or as a side dish for Mexican dishes. It's also delicious as a dip for raw vegetables. With these practical tips and the guacamole recipe, you can start enjoying the many benefits of avocado in a simple and delicious way. Whether you're incorporating it into your salads, smoothies, toasts, or desserts, avocado is a versatile ingredient that can transform your meals into healthier and more enjoyable experiences. Throughout this journey, we've explored the fascinating world of avocado, a fruit that goes far beyond its delicious taste. Avocado stands out as a true superfood, offering a wide range of benefits for both body and mind. Did you enjoy these tips and the knowledge about the benefits of avocado? If so, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from this information. And of course, we want to hear from you. How do you like to enjoy avocado? Leave your answer in the comments, and let's keep this delightful conversation about health and well-being going. Thanks for joining us. Activate the notification bell so you don't miss any videos, and take care of your health. It's your most precious asset.